how to change iPhone Bluetooth name. So basically your Bluetooth is linked to your iPhone name basically. So your iPhone name and the Bluetooth have the same name. But if you want to change the name on your iPhone, if you want to know how to pull this off, you could just go ahead to settings in general, basically click on about, and you're gonna be able to know this is your name on to your iPhone, and basically that's the name that's gonna appear on every Bluetooth device basically, right? So whenever someone turn on the Bluetooth, they will see your name on your iPhone basically. And if you want to change it, you could just delete the name and just change it to whatever name that you want, and basically that name will be identical to the Bluetooth name. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.